And we're back to learning JavaScript. Let me show you how I can generate a random number. We have a method for that. Let me simply print out a variable that we call number. And I shouldn't make typos here. It's document.write, and then I use number. Now I have to define that variable. I'll make it let number equals, for example, 17. But if we want to have a random number here stored, we can simply use Math.random. Don't forget the regular brackets. And now if I refresh the browser, this changes every time and it's a random result. And it's always a number between 0 and 1. But what if we wanted to have a number that's between 0 and 10 or 0 and 100? We make this just times 100. And if you wanted to have a number between 0 and 5, you make it times 5. So it's easily done using the Math.random method. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.